Hello everyone, welcome to the Urban Kitchen. Today we're going to learn to make dal, that is pigeon pea, in 3 quick, easy steps. For this, we need half a katori of Toor dal, that is pigeon pea, 1 tomato, some curry leaves, oil, spices, ginger garlic paste and salt. Washing the dal is one of the most important steps. For this, you can quickly pour some water into it and then keep using your hands to clean it thoroughly. It will ooze out all the white powder that it's coated with. Make sure to give ample of time in washing your dal until you get transparent water after washing it. You might need to do this a couple of times, at least 2 times if not 3, to get clear water. It's clear, so we're going to quickly rinse out this water. You can always use a strainer for this step. Next step is to add a glass of water and your cut tomatoes to the dal. You can now pressure cook this for 3 whistles. While the cooker is cooling down, after 3 whistles, let's make the tadka for the dal. For this you'll need 2 to 3 spoons of oil. We're using cold pressed coconut oil here. Let it heat for a minute. To this we are going to add some mustard seeds, some jeera, that's cumin seeds, curry leaves, hing powder, that's asafoetida, ginger garlic paste, and give it a good mix. It's very important for your mustard and cumin seeds to splutter. On a very low flame, you can deep fry all of this for a minute or so. You can also add half a chopped onion and some green chilies if you wish to this mix. The final step is to add our spices, and we do this at the end after switching off the stove so that our spices do not burn. Add half a spoon of turmeric powder and maybe 3/4 to a spoonful of chili powder depending on your taste. Again, give it a good mix before we add this to our dal in the cooker. The tadka is ready. Let's check on our pressure cooker. It's nicely cooled down, like you can see, and the dal is also well cooked with the tomatoes. You can quickly mash your tomatoes using a spoon and give your dal a good mix. Let's add our tadka to this dal. Add some salt. And mix it again. Our dal is now almost ready. We're only going to bring it to boil for another minute. Our quick and easy dal is now ready. You can enjoy this with some rice or roti or parathas. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube, The Urban Kitchen, like our page on Instagram, and also don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.